Hi dolls, this is Little Gretchen's workshop, and I just wanted to pop in here and show you the other side of the door to that back hallway to kind of give you a feel for what I'm dealing with. Just want to show you this interior wall here, how that wood is. See that? Really rough, really rugged. Maybe I'm up too close. How about that? That's a little bit better. You can see how that interior wall is and how rough those cuts are. And just look at my walls. Yeah, dealing with a lot. Just kind of wanted to just see what I was doing. Again, this is the other side of the door to that back hallway, and that's the wooden piece I made as the header to that door for the hallway. So I'm going to paper this wall, this rugged wall, with this really nice heavy wallpaper to cover up some of that damage to those walls. Smooth them out as much as I can. I'm going to probably sand them a little bit more. And you see the ceiling, and I'm going to cover that with embossed scrapbook paper to just give it a more finished look. So just wanted to kind of give you a feel. This is the hallway floor. Now you see it's like gaps around the hallway floor. It's all wallpaper that I tried to put in 15 years ago. Hated it. See the gaps that are on the floor. No worries, because I'm going to put baseboards to cover that. So no worries on that. And there's a door that goes in here. So again, no worries on that. This is kind of just a look at the room. I got kind of furniture kind of tossed around in here. Quite a bit of work to be done. See how that wall is? Yeah, that's how the whole house looked when I first started. So that just kind of gives you an overview. In the other room, I've got a floor that's glued down and drying. Again, this wallpaper that's up here, that was scrapbook paper about years ago. Paper in that, but yeah, I'm not using that either. But in this hallway, I'm using the same paper that I use on the back hallway, and I'm actually going to use the same paper on all the hallways, just to kind of give that like a connected look. That's just the hallway wallpaper, because I have another hall on the other side, down the other end. Yeah, see? So all that has to be done. These walls were a little bit better off than the walls on the other side. So that just kind of gives you an idea of what I'm working with. Okay. So this was, like I said, just a quick pop in to let you see what I was doing here, and that I'm about to wallpaper this wall that's on the other side of the back hall. So I'll get back to you when I finish this up and kind of put that all together. Okay. See you soon. Thanks for watching Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye. Thanks, dolls.